Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Hammered Corner. You may have seen the video I posted a few weeks ago, where I reviewed the cheap bundle of coins for £25 to see what coins I got for my money. Well, in today's video, I will be showing you a bundle of coins I purchased this month for just under £400. These videos are great to see what sort of coins you can purchase in 2021 at different price points, also depending on your budget and area of interest. Firstly, I have a bundle of 2 coins that I purchased from the same seller over at Essex Coins. Essex Coins are some of the highest quality coins for great prices and has been part of my monthly spending for the best part of 9 months. The first coin is a penny minted during the reign of James I, an extremely small coin that actually bears no portrait of the king. Now, a big part of my collection is pennies, and they tend to be more of the medieval type, consisting of short and long cross. But I tend to buy what I like the look of, and my collection grows organically that way. This beautiful little coin weighs 0.49 grams and bears the Tudor rose on the obverse and a thistle on the reverse, an interesting mixture of an English and Scottish design that he implemented when he united Britain for the very first time. It is clear to see in the Stuart period how small these little pennies were getting, especially when compared to the weight of an Edward I penny being around 1.1 grams. He used a similar pattern on his half-groats, but an easy way to know the difference is the rose and thistle are crowned on the half-groats. I have created a beginner's guide to James I English and Scottish coinage, links on screen and at the end of the video. The second coin I purchased from Essex Coins this month is a new monarch to my collection, a sovereign type penny from the reign of Henry VII. It is still on my bucket list to acquire a portrait of Henry VII, but this is a much welcome addition to my collection, with one of my favourite obverse designs on any penny. The obverse shows the king enthroned, a unique design that was used before during the reign briefly by Edward the Confessor. The reverse displays the Tudor shield bearing the French lilies and the English lion, with the interesting addition of 2 keys under the shield. And this coin was minted in York. As you can see on the reverse, it says Civitas Ebor Raki for York. Henry VII is well known for successfully ending the War of the Roses, which is an extremely interesting piece of war history between the houses of Lancaster and York. He then founded the Tudor dynasty. I can't fault Alan for his service, quality of coins and reasonable prices, and links to Essex Coins will be linked below. You can look forward to an interesting video on this coin in the very near future. So I usually set myself a limit on how much I can afford when I buy my monthly coin or 2. And my third purchase is from a well-known Facebook member who is the owner of the Hammered Coins and Medieval Artifacts page. My first coin is that of a replacement to an incredible high-grade Mary Groat that I sold earlier this year. This lovely Mary Groat was minted when she was sole ruler of England, before marrying and co-ruling with her husband, Philip of Spain. I have covered Mary's coinage on the channel before, and within it you can see that she only used 2 types of designs for her groats, a younger and more pleasing bust displayed on my coin, and an older, very unpleasant bust on her other groats that bears Philip's name in the legend. This coin has the pomegranate mint mark and was minted between 1553 and 1554, only minted for 1 year. That's why coins of high quality always fetch a premium. There is something exciting about the Tudor coinages that keeps me coming back, even when I feel like my collecting is taking a different direction. Every coin featured today will have its own smaller video made on it in the future, so make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a video. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed the more expensive bundle of mine. If you haven't seen the cheaper bundle video, links are on screen now and in the description. Let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see in the future, and thank you all for watching, and as always, keep collecting!